Hello, my friend. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here today. I want you to take a deep breath, relax, and make yourself comfortable for the next few minutes. Forget about grammar. Forget about memorizing vocabulary. Today, we're simply going to enjoy English together. English is not something you study. English is something you experience. The more you listen, the more you understand, the more confidently you'll speak. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So, whether you're having your morning coffee, driving to work, cooking dinner, walking outside, or just relaxing at home, thank you for spending this time with me. Let's make English a natural part of your day. Today's topic about the FIFA World Cup: history, significance, and global impact. Are you ready? Let's begin. The FIFA World Cup is the most prestigious and widely viewed sporting event in the world. Organized by FIFA, this international football tournament is held every 4 years and brings together national teams from across the globe. Since its inception in 1930, the World Cup has grown into a global phenomenon that transcends sport, uniting people from different cultures, languages, and backgrounds. The tournament is not only a competition for the best football teams, but also a celebration of human spirit, national pride, and international unity. It has the power to influence economies, shape political narratives, and create unforgettable moments that remain in collective memory for generations. History of the World Cup. The idea of an international football tournament began in the early 20th century. FIFA, founded in 1904, sought to organize a global competition that would bring together the best teams in the world. The first FIFA World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930. Uruguay was chosen as the host nation because it had won the Olympic football tournaments in 1924 and 1928 and was celebrating its centenary of independence. 13 teams participated in the inaugural tournament, and Uruguay emerged as the first champion by defeating Argentina in the final. Despite the challenges of long-distance travel and limited participation, the tournament was considered a success and laid the foundation for future editions. Evolution of the tournament. Over the years, the World Cup has evolved significantly. The number of participating teams increased from 13 in 1930 to 32 in recent tournaments, allowing more nations to compete on the global stage. Starting in 2026, the tournament will expand further to include 48 teams, reflecting FIFA's efforts to make the competition more inclusive. Technological advancements have also transformed the tournament. The introduction of Video Assistant Referee (VAR) technology has improved decision-making, while innovations in broadcasting have made matches accessible to billions of viewers worldwide. Global popularity and cultural impact. The World Cup is more than just a sporting event. It is a cultural phenomenon. During the tournament, millions of people gather in stadiums, homes, and public spaces to watch matches. Streets are filled with celebrations, and national flags are displayed proudly. The tournament fosters a sense of unity and identity. Fans passionately support their teams, and victories are celebrated as national achievements. At the same time, the World Cup promotes cultural exchange, as people from different countries interact and share their traditions. Economic impact. Hosting the World Cup has significant economic implications for the host country. Governments invest billions of dollars in infrastructure, including stadiums, transportation systems, and hotels. These developments can boost tourism and create job opportunities. However, the economic impact is not always positive. Some host countries face criticism for overspending and underutilizing stadiums after the tournament. The long-term benefits depend on effective planning and sustainable development strategies. Political and social influence. The World Cup has often been influenced by political and social factors. Governments sometimes use the tournament to showcase their country on the global stage. Hosting the World Cup can be seen as a symbol of national progress and international recognition. However, the tournament has also been associated with controversies. Issues such as human rights, corruption, and political tensions have occasionally overshadowed the competition. Despite these challenges, the World Cup continues to serve as a platform for dialogue and awareness. Legendary moments and players. The World Cup has produced countless memorable moments and legendary players. From Diego Maradona's Hand of God goal in 1986 to Zinedine Zidane's performance in 1998, these moments have become part of football history. Players such as Pelé, Lionel Messi, and Cristiano Ronaldo have left a lasting impact on the tournament. Their skills, dedication, and achievements have inspired millions of fans and aspiring athletes around the world. Challenges and criticism. Despite its success, the World Cup faces several challenges. One major issue is the cost of hosting the tournament. Many critics argue that the financial burden on host countries is too high, especially for developing nations. Environmental concerns have also been raised, as the construction of stadiums and increased travel contribute to carbon emissions. FIFA has taken steps to address these issues by promoting sustainability initiatives. The future of the World Cup. The future of the World Cup looks promising. With the expansion to 48 teams, more countries will have the opportunity to participate, increasing the tournament's global reach. Advancements in technology will continue to enhance the viewing experience, with innovations such as virtual reality and interactive platforms. Fans will be able to engage with the tournament in new and exciting ways. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about making progress. One conversation, one new word, one small step at a time. So don't worry if you didn't understand everything today. Just keep listening, keep practicing, and trust the process. You're improving every single day. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Speak English with Alex. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more free English lessons for learners around the world. Now I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments. Ask a simple question related to today's topic. I read your comments, and I always enjoy hearing from you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Take care, keep listening, keep learning, keep speaking English, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, goodbye, my friend.